rocket launch like a rock concert? They're both loud! But if you've ever been near a rocket launch, you'll know the roar from the engines can be heard and felt miles from the launch pad. This is because sound is a form of energy caused by vibration. At rock concerts, guitars make noise because when musicians strum the strings vibrate, causing waves of sound to ripple out into the air. The lead singer can sing because the vocal cords in their throat vibrate, and the way they shape their mouth directs the sound waves into words that we can understand. If you put your hand against your throat and hum, you'll be able to feel your own vocal cords vibrate. But did you know that a rocket launch is so loud that parts of the rocket are at risk of breaking apart because of the sound vibrations running through the rocket? In order to stop that from happening, engineers add materials to dampen the sound so that the vibrations won't shake the rocket apart. For this activity, you will explore how sound vibrations work and what can be done to stop them. For this sound on a string activity, you will need 2 paper cups, toothpick, string, 2 cotton rounds, and 2 binder clips. Think about how sound waves make things vibrate. Is there a way to stop the vibration? Here's how to build the sound on a string. First, use the toothpick to poke a small hole in the bottom of 2 of the cups. Cut a piece of string 100 centimeters long. Next, thread the string through the hole in the bottom of the cup. Tie several knots on the end of the string inside the cup so that it won't pop out of the hole. You could tape the string inside the cup if needed. Repeat steps 3 and 4 with the other end of the string tied to the second cup. Ready to test? Make sure you and your partner are standing far enough apart so that the string is stretched tight. Don't pull too hard. You don't want the string to pop out of the cup. Whisper into your cup while your partner places their ear next to the opening of the other cup. Was your partner able to clearly hear the message from inside their cup? What are some ways to stop your partner from hearing the message? Here are some things you could try. Try covering the whole cup with both your hands. Try adding the cotton rounds to the cup to see if that makes the message softer. You could put them inside the cup or tape them to the sides. Did it work? Try clamping a binder clip onto the string between the cups. Make sure the clip is attached to the string. Can you still hear the message inside the cup? Try adding the second binder clip. Try using the binder clip to attach the cotton rounds to the string. Does the message still get across? Try playing around with different methods to see if you can find the best way to stop the message from traveling from one cup to the next. Do you think your messages will be able to travel on a longer piece of string? Try cutting a piece of string that is 300 centimeters long. Cut the knots off on the string already attached to the cup to remove the existing string. Replace the short string with the long string and try the experiment again. Could the whispered messages still be heard? Try again with the remaining length of the string. Are the messages still being clearly transmitted? Are you still able to use the dampener to stop the messages from making it across? How could you apply what you learned in this experiment to help our engineers design future rockets?